In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take notes on Udemy in a simple and effective way. Whether you're new to online learning or already taking multiple courses, using Udemy's built-in note feature can make a huge difference in how well you understand and remember what you learn. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Udemy. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your email and password or single sign-on if your account supports it. After logging in, head to your dashboard and open the course you're currently studying. When the course page loads, click on the lesson you want to watch. As the video plays, look for the Notes tab located just below the course player. This is one of Udemy's most useful tools. When you open the Notes tab, you'll see that you can type directly while the video continues to play. The best part is that every note is automatically time-stamped to the exact second you wrote it. That means you can click on the note later and instantly jump back to that moment in the lecture. It's perfect for capturing key points, definitions, examples, or anything you want to revisit later. And that's all you need to do. Udemy's built-in notes feature keeps everything organized, easy to review, and connected to the exact part of the video where you took the note. It's a simple habit that can dramatically boost your retention and help you learn smarter. Enjoy your studies and make the most of every course you take.